Di pwedeng magpahinga, di pwedeng magpagod. Kuya Magic. Hard last. Kinda. Yeah, after what I just had a little fries, and then I had like one fish fillet. Um, Actually, it's my mind who's tired in my body, but feels like my brain is bursting from thinking of something that I don't know what it is. It was so tiring. Hi, Josh. Nakakapagod siya actually. Yung, na-try nyo na ba yun? Thank you, Josh, sa pang-follow. Na-try mo na ba yun? Yung gusto mong matulog. Pero yung brain mo super active pa rin. Ayaw magpahinga. Yung no matter how you tried na ano. I did. I tried. Lately kasi. No, pag July kasi talaga. That's my dad's this is my dad's death anniversary today. So parang feel ko parang I just still miss my dad so much. Yeah, it's been so fresh pa kasi. Kaya ganun. Sige, magtanong ka pero dapat may sense sa Pochi. Pag walang sense, huwag ka nang magtanong. Ano yan? Yeah. Kasi sabi ko. Mababala. Kasi sabi ko lang yung may sense yung tanong eh. Yeah. I did miss my dad so much. I've been daddy's girl forever talaga. Sobra kong namimiss yung papa ko, promise. Hindi ko, BNG, hello. Basta, sobra ko siyang namimiss. Walang, ay, hindi ko siya namimiss. Especially pag may mga